The forum activity. The forum activity allows the users to discuss topics with other members of a course asynchronously. These topics can range from teachers adding course announcements to learners introducing themselves, discussing their study materials, continuing a discussion from an online class, giving study tips or learning advice to each other, and having private discussions. There are several types of forums. A standard forum is one that anyone can start at any time. A question and answer forum allows users to view a thread only after they have posted their own response to the forum. In another type of forum, the user can only respond to one discussion. Instructors could choose to add files or images to a forum to make it more informative and interesting. They can also set the forum activity so one user's post can be rated by others. Adding a forum to a course. I'll click on the Turn Edit On button. Note that the Turn Edit On button turns red. Next, I'll locate the topic or unit where I want to add the forum. I'll scroll down and click on the Add an Activity or Resource link at the bottom of that topic. The Add an Activity or Resource panel appears. I'll click on Forum. In the General section, I'll type a descriptive foreign name. Then, in the Description area, I'll type a forum description. For example, "Welcome to the class, everyone. I am your instructor, Ms. Beverly Davis. Please post a message and introduce yourself to the rest of the class." I'll click in this box if I choose to show the description on the course main page. I'll click on it. Then I'll scroll down and click on the drop-down menu to choose the forum type. There are 5 types. A single simple discussion. All users can reply to a discussion topic. Each person posts one discussion. Each user can post exactly one topic that everyone can reply to. A question and answer forum. Each user should post their opinion about a question before being able to see the posts from others. A standard forum displayed in a blog-like format. Any user is able to start a new discussion at any time. And finally, a standard forum for general use, where all users can add a post at any time. Next, I'll click here to see the availability settings. The availability settings allow you to set a due date and a cutoff date. Note that the enable boxes must be ticked before the dates and times can be set. In the attachments and word count setting, we can choose the maximum attachment size, the maximum number of attachments, and whether to display the word count or not. And in the subscription and tracking settings, and in the subscription mode drop-down menu, we can see that there are 4 settings. Optional subscription, which allows users to choose whether they want to receive notifications or not. Forced subscriptions sends notifications to users, and users cannot unsubscribe from receiving notifications. Auto subscription sends notifications to users by default, but they can choose to opt out and unsubscribe if they wish. Subscription disabled does not allow users to subscribe. In discussion locking, you could choose one of the discussion locking settings if you need to lock a discussion after a specific time so learners can no longer respond to the post. In the post threshold for blocking setting, You can prevent learners from posting more than a certain number of responses to a post during a specific period of time. In the whole forum grading setting, instructors can use a grading system for learner posts. They can choose to allocate no grades or grade learner posts using a scale or point system. Next, I'll click on Ratings. And then I'll click on the Aggregate Type drop-down menu. Here you can choose how the ratings will be calculated for the gradebook. There are 6 options. If no ratings is selected, no grades will be sent to the gradebook. If average of ratings is selected, the mean of all ratings will be calculated and sent to the gradebook. If count of ratings is chosen, the number of rated posts would be sent to the gradebook. If maximum rating is selected, the highest rate will be considered as the final grade. If minimum rating is selected, the lowest rating will be considered as the final grade. And finally, if sum of ratings is chosen, all ratings will be added up and the total will be sent to the gradebook. The remaining settings are common to other Onyx activities. To finish, I'll click on the Save and Return to the Course button. I'll scroll down and find the new forum, which will appear at the bottom of the topic. I can use this Move icon if I want to move the forum to another location on the course main page. Then I'll scroll back up to the top of the page and click on the Turn Edit Off button.